Okay, I know a lot of you don't want to listen to me because you think you know better and that I'm beating a dead horse. Look it up if you don't know what that means. Classic car wiring can be dangerous and cause a potential loss completely of your classic vehicle because you refuse to spend a few dollars on a new wiring harness, or you thought the original harness looked nice. It has patina. It has something. Patina is not what I would call it. You cannot see inside the wiring harness. You do not know whether or not there is a wire breaking down. The only way to be sure is to replace it. Okay, maybe you won't like the look of a new wiring harness. How would you like the look of a pile of ash on your driveway or at a show because you couldn't be bothered to spend a few dollars on a wiring harness? Yes, I'm all for originality on certain things, but wiring is not one of them. Inside a lot of the classic wiring, and probably particularly British, they use vulcanized rubber covered in a braid. The braid breaks down, the rubber cracks, next you have a short. That short then is a fire. It doesn't matter if you've got plastic wires, they also break down, as you will see in the attached video. If you disagree with me, that's fine, that's your choice, it's your car, your customer's car that is potentially going to be lost. That's your choice, it's not mine. All I can do is show you what I've discovered on my 1964 Jaguar and the wiring harness and the potential dangers within it. You agree, you disagree, that's your choice. All right, here we go on one of my pet peeves. And I know there are a number of you out there that don't agree with me regarding old wiring on a classic car. Now you can look at this and go, look at this, oh that's plastic, that's terrific. Not all the wires are plastic. You follow these down, you get some really strange looking connectors, and then in the harness you can see there, this is already damaged. Look at it, down to the metal, right next to this one that is falling apart. This is inside a wiring harness. You cannot fucking well see it. It is dangerous. It is a fire waiting to happen. Oh, patina, 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 originality. Yeah, well, when the car goes up in flames, you've got some original flames to go with it. I mean, this is from a 1964 Jaguar. Look at it. Look how the insulation is breaking up. You cannot tell me and expect me to believe that it's okay. No way. Look at it. It's a fucking joke. And if this is through a firewall area, then that car has the potential to catch fire. Yes, as I said, I know you don't agree with me, a lot of you out there. Oh, look, you know, pull it back. Oh, look, it's pretty. Well, yeah, maybe fucking pretty there, but when you trace it further down, and it's here, let's say at this joint, this corner, look at it, look at it. That will come off easily, and if that's going through a hole in a firewall, a panel, it doesn't matter. It has the potential to catch fire because you could not be bothered, or you thought it was a better idea to keep an old wiring harness. It is never a good idea. I'm sorry, I disagree with anybody that says it is. I don't give a shit about patina on a wiring harness. Yeah, okay, so the new ones look new. Too fucking bad. The car is still alive. Look at it, this is what happens. This braiding breaks up, then this vulcanized rubber in here chips off, and you've got a fucking fire. It's a false economy. Whoa, it's original. Too bad. You wouldn't leave original fuel lines like this, you know, because look at it. Look how it breaks. You wouldn't do that, not unless you're a dimwit. So don't leave an original wiring harness is all I'm saying. You can disagree with me as much as you like, and I hope I will be proved wrong and your car doesn't catch fire. But there's a darn chance it will. Rubber deteriorates over years. The PVC parts may not, but this does. This braiding breaks up, and then you are in deep shit. Deepest shitus without us paddlers. Look at it. This is on a 1964 car. Look at this. It's breaking up. It is dangerous. It will catch fire. Look at it. It's broken. And look, there's one of your super duper plastic ones that you think are so fucking good. Look how worn it is. Bare copper showing there. That shorts out against the metal hole that it's gone through. You're in shit. Unfortunately, I know this through bitter experience. Okay, that's my rant over. You do what you want to do. I know what I'm going to do, and I know my wiring will be safe.